Good morning. Today is a beautiful day. I'm wearing shorts and it's really too cold to be wearing shorts right now. I'm gonna change. I just wanna feel like I'm feeling like it's summer, you know? Mitch is out here, you can hear, cleaning. He started cleaning out the Ford. It is kind of windy.
It is a little windy.
Because we're going somewhere and taking that car, and then what did you just get on a roll and have to clean all the...
I figure I might as well. I mean, you know, we'll just...
I can't see anything on the
I know, we'll turn it this way a bit because, you know, it'll work better. But, no, I figured like I was cleaning the Ford. I had the vacuum out already and it reached my car. Might as well just clean that too.
Yeah. So,
get all the spring cleaning
we
done.
where exactly are we?
Oh, we're going to Empire somewhere.
Yeah, we're
Either
going...
the bluffs or the trails.
North of here. Northwest?
Yeah, a little bit west.
I don't even know. I just know we're going north of here to one of my favorite places. See, and I don't even know where it is.
Well, you know where it is. You just don't know where it is on a map.
But we're gonna like climb the sand dunes or walk a trail.
Can I
Probably the sand dunes, don't you think?
Yeah.
I think that'll be fun. Look at you. Let's see those missing teeth. It's kind of like a post-birthday trip. My hair is like flying straight up in the air.
I know,
Can you
it's
fix
amazing.
it? Because I'm drinking coffee. Kind of a post-birthday trip. Kind of just a fun, we have nice weather today. We're not sure how long it's going to last trip. I'm just warming up some leftovers for us to eat for lunch.
Awesome.
Dinner? Lunch.
Yeah, dinner to me is lunch or supper. Supper is supper time.
Canadian. And I'm sure that's not just a Canadian thing. I'm
Supper.
sure a lot
Hey
of people...
guys! Can I sing you a song? She was back dancing and ooh, the sand at the school. It left in the dark. It was stopped by ya. It was sunflower. It was sunflower.
That's what songs sound like when you only know some words.
And you're mimicking Spider-Verse instead of the real song.
Well, that is the real song.
Yeah, but Miles in Spider-Verse doesn't say all of the right
Yeah,
words.
you're right. He doesn't. He kind of sings it like that.
Exactly.
Always being a Spider-Man. I'm gonna run check on that.
Yeah.
Food. I need to get something that helps with the sound when there's wind and stuff. I made pho for dinner last night, so I'm just warming up leftover broth and getting some veggies out to have that for lunch. My parents are coming with us, so they're gonna come over before we head out. I'm just gonna do a quick cleanup. Judge is making a line in the sand, and Manny's following it. How's it going? Are you getting tired? It's a tough walk. Do you want me to carry you for a little bit? I can carry you on my back for a bit.
All my sticks.
Maybe you could get Dad to carry your sticks.
Dad!
Here, let's run up there. Come on.
Can you carry me?
You know what? I'll stick them right here and we'll grab them on the way back.
Okay.
Alright?
Look, that's a safe spot. Looks like Jaja put his there too.
Oh, perfect. He's right there.
You want to put him?
Grab them.
Someone will grab him. We'll put him here, okay? They'll be easier to see. There you go. Char just trying to use Manny as a pillow, and Manny keeps trying to get out of the way. It's not working.
Here, let me take this. Thank you.
Up you go.
Manny, you got a little sand on you there.
Hello.
How'd you get all that sand on you?
Judge was sleeping on him. Well, of course.
Yeah, Manny.
A little dinosaur.
That building is.
Aw, let me see.
I don't
Ooh,
believe
he's so
I think
Let me
cute.
see.
Anybody sit off?
Nice tail. Is he cute?
Is
How's
he
it taste?
Probably really yummy.
probably really not good?
Does it taste good?
Well, then I'll eat
It
it,
tastes
Manny.
chocolatey. I don't.
Well, but it is chocolate.
I know.
So is it
Well, what did you
good?
think it was?
No.
You don't like it?
I'll eat it. Oh,
Wait,
No,
Did you-
no.
here, no, take it back.
do you like it, Manny?
No.
You don't like it?
Here, put it back in the case then if you're not gonna eat it.
I
Here, look.
don't like chocolate.
Well, then why did you get it? Is it just too, like,
Too dark?
too dark, maybe? Or?
No,
Those are chocolate too, Daddy.
it's not too dark.
Let me see.
Ah.
Here, when we leave those for a second.
I can see where he.
Just wait. Wait on that
It's
one.
very cocoa-y. I can see where he maybe doesn't. It doesn't taste like
look at that, Brian.
chocolate he's used to.
Wow.
It's good. It's
These
very
ones have
good.
everybody's stuff in it. That's why we're gonna wait
What
on it.
happened to the? Yeah, that was the
Whoa.
IGA.
Are they?
That's friendly. The tablet's been on there. Has been there for decades.
I love that building.
Let me see. Let me taste your little.
And this is still for sale.
Oh, Storm Hill. Yeah.
Here's some.
The barn here.
Well, both those buildings, yeah. It's a cool building.
Where are we going?
Char, this is another house I thought was stinking cool.
That blue one?
It was for sale. It
Ooh, I
wasn't
like that
bright blue
big
color
deck.
at the time. I want to say it was white initially.
Is it like in two apartments?
No,
It looks almost like it could be.
well maybe.
Or are you thinking about the one here
maybe
next
I'm
door?
thinking about the gray one. There was
They're
one
both
for
cool.
sale there. It was like, oh
And
man,
up
that
here,
would be
there,
awesome.
well, I mean, there's never really more than one or two that are for sale.
Oh,
on
I
Storm
remember
Hill,
this
but-
part.
Ah, you see
Yeah,
now,
you've
huh?
been here before, huh?
We're going to the sand pot.
Remember when we
Going to
swam here and the waves were huge?
Oh my goodness, I remember that.
Was that fun? Was that the best day?
Yeah, it was.
My mom likes to make a nook shooks with the rocks. Tiny. Nook shook. I think in Michigan you can take home, like, from beaches or state parks or whatever, 28 pounds worth of rocks annually. And I think my mom takes her share, maybe more, of rocks. She has always loved rocks, been kind of obsessed with finding and collecting rocks. She's doing like a rock garden, so she's been finding neat ones for years. I wonder where Manny is and Mitch. I don't even see them on the playground. Well, I found them. I gotta find the highest tower on the playground, and there they'll be.
Hey, look, it's Mom.
Hey Manny, do you think you could climb this rock tower?
See, is that scary? See. Ready? Now push.
It's like a little cave. I feel like if you put little tiny figurines in there, it would look like a pirate cave. Man, if it was warm enough, those would be awesome waves to swim in.
Yeah. All the people do like stand-up paddleboards and they kind of like ride the surf in.
Well, yeah, but this cold.
Look at that big dog.
Where? I don't see a big frog. Oh, that's like one of those labradoodles. Is that what that is?
I don't know. It's a big dog.